Welcome to Revit 2020 Basic Architectural Modeling Session 1 Part 1. My name is Dr. Wong Chi Hong. In this video, I will explain Revit 2020 homepage setup. Revit 2020 has some new features and updates from the previous version. When you open Revit 2020, the homepage displays. In 2020 version, Revit Home provides a quicker way to access and open your Revit data, no matter where it is stored. Revit data can be stored on a local computer, in a network location, or in a BIM 360 project. In the home page, you can find two main components: model environment at the top sections and family creation environments in the lower section of the home page. Revit 2020 replaced the names project environment to model environment. Let's look at model environment. Models are built using families elements from families environments. There are three models you can find from Revit homepage. Sample architecture project. It is based on building with walls, doors, and roof. Sample structure project. It is for structure materials and framework. Sample system project. It is dedicated to mechanical, electrical services elements and components. In families creation environment, family elements can be seen as individual files, separate files, and files types. These file types are referred into the model you used it. They are basic building elements such as wall, floor, ceiling, and stair in a building model. You can create an instance of family types in the project or change the family type for an existing element. These file types can be door, chair, table, window, and so on. The point being, if you change the definitions of the file types here, it will reflect on the change to the models. Therefore, you can have a library to hold all the files that allow you to use in different models to save your time. You can also have a library full of different family types to share with people. In Revit Home, you can find recent used model listed in the upper section, and recently used family are listed in the lower section. If you store your model in BIM 360, you will see a badge with a cloud symbol to indicate that the model file is stored in BIM 360 project. You can also go to the control at the lower left hand side to open your model stored in BIM 360. Now let me open the software and click on architecture model from sample architecture project. You can return to Revit Home by clicking the Home button on the Quick Access toolbar. From Revit Home, you can also return to the model by clicking Back or the Home button. From Revit Home page, you can go to the Learn drop-down to get extra help and information from the official Autodesk webpage. Here you can find many useful videos files to explain how to use Revit. We now finished Revit 2020 Basics Architecture Modeling Session 1 Part 1 Setup. Thank you for your watching, and please follow the Part 2 for user interface features in Revit 2020.